it's Talk Back Tuesday with Fancy Nancy. And so normally in secondary bedrooms, they have the doors that open up and they take a lot of room for closets. What do you think about having the closets on like a slider like this? Do we like this look? So it's not essentially like a pocket door because it's not stacking inside of the wall, but it is kind of like a slider door and creates kind of like a sleek look to the closet, hides everything behind it. This is how it looks closed, and then this is how it looks opened. But this is also an easy way to do this. They're on tracks. You could buy these doors on Wayfair, Home Depot, Lowe's, all those kind of places have them. Looks fairly simple to install. So comment below and let me know if you like this alternate to maybe having double doors or like the fan doors in the older homes. And that is my transition today, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.